Determining whether two objects are touching each other is a key part of most games. Today you're going to be making one of these simple games. So you could make Pong, where you have to decide is a ball touching a paddle. You could do Catch a Dot, where you have to decide when you click, is the mouse inside the circle? Is the mouse touching the circle? Or this simple Skeet Shooter, where you press the space bar and it launches a rectangle vertically, but you can't control the rectangle after that. And your goal is to launch at just the right time to hit a bouncing circle. And then the question is the rectangle ever touching the circle? So this is called collision detection. Collision detection means detecting whether or not two shapes are overlapping each other at a particular time. And collision detection is generally quite a difficult topic. You'll notice we're still using simple shapes, so we don't even have characters with arms and legs and things. But even with simple shapes like points, rectangles, and circles, you'll see that there's still a medium amount of math involved. Like, you still have to think carefully about how to do this properly. And the types of collision detecting that we're going to be doing will feel frustrating because sometimes it won't be possible to do the perfect version of what you want to do. And that's very realistic for how collision detection works. It's just a very hard thing to do. So I'm going to walk you through in this video and the next video how you can think about these problems for Pong and for Catch a Dot. And consider today to be your first experience with it, and we'll continue to work with it over the next couple of days.